real dude. Blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit.
Hey guys, we are heading to Bainbridge Island to drop off our dogs with a dog sitter, and then we're heading out to Port Townsend for a family wedding and like family reunion thing on Travis's side. I'm pretty excited to get out of the house. We've been working on a lot of projects, so it's nice to get out in the sunshine, and who knows, we might find some cool stuff in Port Townsend. It's a really, really cute town, and they have a darling little downtown area. You know they're gonna have some sort of antique something or other. And I also want one of those like cheesy tourist t-shirts from a t-shirt shop, just because it sounds really fun. So this little girl doesn't want us to go. Say hi to Harbor, she's back there too. We're waiting in the ferry line, and this is our heavy breathing crew. Little bit of a line.
One thing that's super fun about these vlogs is bringing you along to some of my all-time favorite places and just general routines living here in Seattle. If you've never been here before, maybe Seattle will be another character in this vlog that you can get to know. It doesn't matter how many times I ride the ferry boat, it's always a fun adventure. My in-laws live on one of the islands out here called Bainbridge Island. It's an absolutely beautiful and picturesque piece of this state. I love the absolutely stunningly beautiful views, especially on a day like today. Clear, perfect sky, the way the sailboats shine across the water, the glittering city in the distance.
We got some puppies in here. Are you ready to get out of the car, Harbor?
And then before you know it, we can see Bainbridge Island coming into view. After a beautiful and relaxing car ride on this absolutely stunningly gorgeous day, we have finally arrived at Fort Warden State Park. If you're ever looking for an interesting place to stay in Washington, this might be something to add to your list. It's a decommissioned army base that is said to be haunted. It's got a lot of very interesting buildings and gathering spaces, officers' quarters. The entire family is staying in these different officers' homes on the property, which is super fun because we can all gather in the green space with chairs and barbecues and hang out all day and night. But it's also cool because we get to check out these amazing historical homes. Let me take you inside.
We're staying in this old house that used to be officers' quarters. This is wild. Look at this beautiful staircase right off the front door. Living room, original fireplace facade, big dining room. Looks to be a lot of beautiful antiques in here. Look at this cabinet and mirror combination. This built-in is giving me all the feelings. They did a pretty bad remodel in some of the bathrooms, but they kept the original light fixtures throughout. And then here's the teeny tiny little kitchen that definitely got a remodel. Not my favorite. Here's the upstairs of the house. Big white hallways. So many of these darling little bedrooms. Original details. Could definitely use some repairs. You can see where they added things. There's the tile that's in my bathroom, actually. Look at that. Same exact tile in our shower. But then they've got the original light fixtures up here. Look at this. It's absolutely stunning. Hey guys. I love the 5-panel doors, of course. Another little bedroom. And then this stairwell. So cute. This is like the back stairwell. And then we're back here to the main stairwell, which looks original to me, although obviously this carpeting isn't. There's the back stairwell, and then we'll go back out to the yard.
Rusty red on her shoulder, I was cleaning her shoe when it clicked on the trot over in the bright morning dew. We brushed and we braided dandelions and chewed. It was a mutual arrangement we both saw into.
The wedding was held on the property outside in front of this beautiful and majestic madrona tree. It's one of the most absolutely stunningly beautiful trees I have ever seen in my life. Apparently, you're going to hear me saying that a lot in this vlog. Since it was our 1-year wedding anniversary on the day of the wedding, we took a great excuse to take a beautiful portrait in front of this tree, thanks to my sister-in-law for taking the pictures. I love the idea of taking a beautiful photograph of us every year on our anniversary, no matter what we're doing, and then keeping them all in the extra pages in our guest book from our wedding. It'll be a really fun way to commemorate all of our special years and moments together on our anniversaries.
We're in Port Townsend after the wedding, and of course I have to check out some antique shops. There's a bunch of really cute ones here. There's 3 in this one little block radius, and we're gonna start with this one. These paintings in the window are so pretty, these little seascapes. I think this set of furniture would be so cool in like a 70s inspired den space. And look at this super cool table set. There's a lot of interesting pieces in this space. Underneath this butterfly chair, I found one of the most unique and special coffee tables I've seen in a long time. Look at these legs. The top is like this sort of metal patina. It's $5.50, but it is such a cool shape.
In the morning, when you walk away, my heart drops to the floor. They said it would get easier, but I don't know who for. Days move faster now, I swear. I can feel them slip away.
This cabinet, oh my. There's a lot of mid-century masters in here. Look at these 2 chairs. They're rockers. Of course, they're Knoll design. Look at the lamp. Oh my gosh. Oh, these jars are so cool. I found some hardware, which we always want to keep an eye out for. And this is so interesting. I'm not really sure. Oh, it's a lamp part. Very cool. There's some vintage house numbers. That's a cute little one. And I'm not sure what these are. Brass handle. Sure, cool. I'm just not sure how they work. Oh, it's got to have a bar between it. That makes sense. Those are actually really neat. This looks like from a hair salon, barbershop. Those are so cool. All the hardware and drawers. Got the little shaving kits. I just think these are so fun. Interesting little kitchen gadgets. Here's like these little scales. Mid-century gems in this room. Look at this beautiful wood chair. Be fun to reupholster. Tulip table and chair set. Some fun mid-century lamps. We found some amazing glass doorknobs, you guys. Travis actually found them, and I'm so excited to integrate them into our doors project. Now we're gonna take a look at another store. It's pretty cool. It's in this old garage, and it's called Bergstrom's. They have classic autos and antiques, so let's check it out.
Sewing machines, gas pumps, bicycles. A lot of really interesting cars. Oh, well. Man, you just don't see this every day. How'd you like to tool around town in that? I mean, I'm in the market for antiques from the 1920s. I guess this just isn't what I was thinking of.
Well, we found some cool things, and it's time to hit the road, head home, go pick up the puppies. Very excited to see them. And yeah, just excited to get home.
Travis and I are big sports fans, and of course, one of our favorite things is to grab a couple friends and go to the ballpark. After we returned from the wedding getaway, we went off to T-Mobile Park to watch our Mariners. Usually we grab a Seattle dog on the way up to the stadium, but today we were craving Mexican food, so we stopped at a new place and tried out some tacos.
Probably like 10 hours long. We found the merch line, but it is insanely long. There's people sitting. I can't really tell, but look at the cute outfits.
We met up with our friends and then headed up to our seats, and we had the best time. The sun was shining, and the Mariners are doing fantastic this season. It was a great day to get out and see the sights and enjoy all that Seattle has to offer, including the Macklemore song that they play at pretty much every game. I've sat just about everywhere in this stadium through many different sponsorships and names, and I have to say there are just about a billion great different places to sit at pretty much every price point. The next day, I couldn't help myself. With a little free time, I had to stop by my local thrift shop, made some donations, and just popped inside to see what I could find. Isn't she gorgeous? I fell in love with this little chair the moment I saw her, and especially when I saw that it was only $7.99, I could not pass it up. Honestly, I don't know where I'm gonna put her, but she might make a fun DIY project. It might be controversial to some, but I do love to peruse the linen. I can find even brand new things with the tags on. Today I found this Target Studio McGee collab quilt in perfect brand new condition with tags on. I can quickly tell that Goodwill has gotten a big delivery from Target today. I also found a couple of throw pillows. I'll show you that in the next vlog. Until then, check out the last one where I took you to two of Seattle's most amazing vintage stores. Your mind will be blown. Thank you so much for watching this video, especially all the way to the end. And I'll see you guys this Saturday in my next home renovation video. It's going to be a big one.